Replacing the hybrid battery on a 2008 Toyota Camry can be a bit of a task, but it's definitely doable with the right tools and knowledge. Before removing the old hybrid battery, you need to disconnect the 12-volt battery. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. This helps prevent any accidental electrical discharge. You will need the following tools: 8, 10, and 12 sockets, a wrench, fabric pin puller, and safety gloves. Remove fabric pins and panels. Loosen the bolts securing the fan to the battery case and disconnect the fan wiring. You know that this 2008 Camry hybrid vehicle uses a high-voltage nickel-metal hydride battery pack. Use the orange plug to remove the orange safety key on the battery cover and take off the positive and negative high-voltage leads. Hi guys, I need to tell you something. There are different types of hybrid configurations. In parallel hybrid, both the gasoline engine and the electric motor are connected to the transmission. In series hybrid, only the electric motor drives the wheels, while the gasoline engine serves as a generator, and in plug-in, hybrid can be charged from an external power source, allowing them to travel longer distances. You know that hybrid cars offer several advantages, including improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions compared to conventional gasoline-powered vehicles.
Hey there, so your 2008 hybrid car's battery has finally kicked the bucket? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. But before you go breaking the bank on a new battery, let's talk about some alternatives. Firstly, have you considered getting a new hybrid battery replacement kit instead of a brand new battery? These kits can be a cost-effective option and are relatively easy to install. Plus, you get the satisfaction of DIYing it. Who doesn't love feeling handy? If a DIY project isn't your thing and you're feeling a little fancy, then let's talk about getting a reconditioned battery. These puppies are basically refurbished batteries that still have some juice left in them. They're a budget-friendly option and can give your car a second wind. But if you're feeling thrifty and eco-friendly, why not look into getting a used hybrid battery? It may sound icky, but think of it as car recycling. Plus, with a little research and some negotiating skills, you can snag a good deal. Finally, if you're a fan of taking risks and feeling like a rebel, then just ignore all of my suggestions and go for the brand new battery. Sometimes we just need that peace of mind. Just beware of the price tag. So there you have it. Options galore for replacing your hybrid battery. Pick one that suits your budget and driving style. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please do it now. It helps us to make more videos. Well folks, we finally managed to pry that pesky hybrid battery out of the car. It was like trying to remove a stubborn piece of gum from the bottom of a shoe. But hey, at least now we can get back to polluting the environment with our good old-fashioned gasoline engine. Well, look at that. We finally managed to wrangle the hybrid battery pack out of the car. It wasn't easy, but we did it. We're basically superheroes at this point. Now, let's get this baby charged up and ready to roll.
How to charge individual hybrid battery cells. To ensure optimal performance and longevity, it is imperative to know how to charge hybrid battery cells individually. Identify the individual battery cells in the pack. They are typically connected in a series, with each cell having its own positive and negative terminal. Use a voltmeter to check the voltage of each cell. The recommended voltage for fully charged cells is typically between 7.2 volts, 8.5 volts. Connect a 12-volt charger to each cell, ensuring the positive and negative terminals are properly aligned. Check the voltage of each cell again to ensure it has reached the required level. If the voltage is still low, repeat the charging process until the desired voltage is reached. Once all the cells have been charged, reconnect the battery pack to its power source. Following these steps will ensure each hybrid battery cell is properly charged, ultimately contributing to the overall performance and durability of your hybrid vehicle. It is recommended to refer to the vehicle's manual for specific charging instructions and safety precautions.
Are you ready to show your hybrid battery some love? Let's give it a proper charge and recondition to keep it running like a champ. Plus, you'll get to save some moolah in the long run, a bonus. So let's roll up our sleeves, grab some tools, and get this battery back in tip-top shape. With a little TLC, we'll have your hybrid driving like a dream.